Nice one, guys. So basically I got 1 teaspoon of rosemary. I'm going to make a cup of rosemary tea. Very good. Drink first thing in the morning or just before bed at night. Stay tuned. Let's make this together. Grab a medium-sized pot. Yeah. Turn on our cooker. Here we're going to put 1 cup of water. Let us grab this beautiful 1 teaspoon of rosemary. It's straight into the water like this, all right? And leave this to cook for about 10 minutes. Nice one. So once it boils, we're going to strain it off, all right? Turn off our cooker. Gonna simple pour it out into this cup right here, guys. It is amazing. It's exactly what I'm talking about, all right? Rosemary tea. Use some honey, but it doesn't need it. Drink it natural. Drink it before you go to bed. For more tips, follow Chef Ricardo Cooking.